Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily turn commerce on or off in TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the end to avoid mistakes, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to access your settings. Select Settings and Privacy, then click on Privacy. Scroll down the page to find the Interactions section. Click on Comments in the Interactions section. You'll see three options: to everyone, friends, and nobody. If you want everyone to be able to comment on your videos, select everyone. If you want one to be able to comment, select no one. Close the settings and click the arrow to return to the previous page. Don't forget to save your changes. That's how easy it's to enable comments on TikTok. Thanks for watching.